Hello, and welcome to the BANKEX screencast demo for the creation of a Smart Asset token. In this demo, we will help you understand how BANKEX Smart Asset tokenomics work and how it can be used to attract capital. In order to use this demo, you will have to install the MetaMask plugin first. You can use the link available in the description below to do this. After you are logged into the MetaMask, you will be offered a choice to create 3 different types of assets. For simplicity, we will select the car token. Push the Create Asset button, and this will take you to a page for the creation of a car token. Here we can see the address of the wallet that created the tokenization contract. Next, we see the address of the contract itself. Here we can look at this wallet. If we press Contract Creator Ethereum Wallet on the Ropes and Test network, the contract will create a wallet for us, and all further transactions will be made on this wallet. Going back to the car token page, we can also see the contract itself. If we click on Contract Ethereum Address, we see the contract and the transactions that are recorded under the control of this demo version. Here we see the address of the creator of the asset, that is the owner. In this case, this is us. Note that the owner of the asset can change, and so we may not always be the owner of the asset we create. The address is here. It is just the address that was located on the previous link. Also, there will be information about the originator, that is the entity that creates the contract. Again, in this demo, this is us. This demo version was created exclusively for demonstrating the operation of the technologies, so there are no strict data requirements that we need to fill out when creating our car token. After filling in all the required fields for the created asset, for example, the VIN number of your 2007 classic red C40 Volvo 4-door sedan, its mileage and condition, and other relevant details of the car, then you will have to pay 1 BANKEX demo token to validate the information submitted. The BKX token is a specially designed test token for use in this demo. If you click on the BKX button, this will take you to the token page. Here you will see the BKX is a standard ERC20 compliant token with the name BANKEX Demo Token. This token is issued by a contract that controls the tokenization of the asset. The demo version is made in such a way that 100 BKX will be immediately credited to our wallet, so we have funds to conduct a test tokenization. All right, now let's go back to the contract. We see the Create button, and we click, and the mining starts. This might take a minute or two. And then we will have a record of this transaction on the blockchain. Now we need to add our Ether balance. In the Ropes and Test network, our balance is 0 Ether, and we will need to press the Buy Ether button to replenish the balance. Next, we click Ropes and Test Faucet and request 2 Ether from the faucet. And the mining begins, and after a short time, the test Ether will be credited to our account. Now we are ready to submit our information to create a smart contract. We press the Submit button, and congratulations, we have created our own token. After this, we open our wallet and see that 2 Ether have been added to our balance, and that a very small sum, 0.007 Ether, has been used to create the Smart Asset token. Now, we need to check whether the BKX token, which was mentioned earlier in this demo, has actually been spent. We go back to our Etherscan page where the ERC20 BANKEX demo token is displayed. We see the address of the contract and copy this address by clicking Copy, and then go back to MetaMask to the Tokens tab and click Add Token and paste the address in the token contract address window. If we click on the BKX token, we immediately go to the Etherscan transaction, and we can observe that 100 BKX tokens have been credited to our wallet from the contract of the demo version of the tokenization program based on the BANKEX platform. So at this point in the demo, we have gone through the procedure of adding Ether to the Ropsten test network. We have added BKX tokens, those utility tokens used on the platform, to the wallet of the Ropsten network, and we have confirmed that these currencies are actually in our wallet. If we go back to our wallet, we can see it all again here. Now we return to the Smart Asset page and we see here that we have a transaction. Here it is written that this transaction created a Smart Asset token. It's still not validated or verified, but nevertheless, the transaction has been recorded on the blockchain. In order to view the token, we click on the Smart Asset button and see that one BKX Smart Asset token with the ID number here has been created. Here it should be noted that the actual economics of the token that is generated may be different, but in this demo version, we will proceed with the assumption that one smart asset is equal to one token. Now, to understand what happened, let's go to Etherscan to view the transaction. In this transaction, we see that on the blockchain, the managing contract has performed the following operations. Number one, it has credited 100 DBKX tokens to our wallet. This transfer is specifically to let BANKEX platform users to test a smart asset in the Ropsten test network. Number two, further, we see that one BANKEX demo token was immediately spent from our wallet, that is, from the user wallet, and transferred to the BANKEX wallet. This is the wallet that collects utility tokens in order to validate the smart asset that was just created. Number three, finally, we see that the managing contract has issued a smart asset. As a note, the managing contract also contains additional functionality for the validation and verification of the smart asset. In this demo, we're talking about a smart asset token with the ID previously mentioned, and this token was added to our user wallet. This demo shows that for the creation of a smart asset on the BANKEX fintech platform, special utility tokens are used. These tokens are needed for transactions on the BANKEX fintech platform, especially for the creation of smart assets. It should be mentioned that smart asset tokens will be useful in the future. They can be sold on the open market, whole or in parts, or forwarded to other users. The BKX token is a technical token that is required to create a smart asset. In our next BANKEX screencast, we will have a demo for the steps smart asset creators need to go through to validate and verify the newly created smart asset. And congratulations! Now you know how to create a smart asset and a little bit more about the economics of BANKEX tokens. You are now ready to create your own smart assets on the BANKEX fintech platform. Stay tuned for more updates, screencasts, and other BANKEX videos.